Hey guys, Mario Fan 27 back again with another video. Today I am going to unbox the Rugrats season 3 plus 4 DVD gift set, which was released by Paramount in 2019, and I'm pretty sure it's a repackage of the standalone season 3 and 4 sets. So let's just get this unboxed. Let me just get my handy dandy pencil. Poke it through here. Alrighty then. I actually really like really like the Rugrats show. Shoot. Alright, I'm gonna leave that in because I think it's a pretty funny blooper. But anyways, back to the unboxing. I actually really like Rugrats. I remember watching a couple episodes when I was like really young, like 4 or 5, but then that's about it. And then also what got me back into the series was the Rugrats in Paris movie that I caught on TV. And then I watched Rugrats Go Wild, and then the first one. So I watched them totally out of order, and that got me back into the series. It made me want to get these sets. I also have the 1+2 set back there, and now I'll just show you them without the plastic. So there's the front spine, just shows the front of the two DVDs. Here's the back. Read up. Dang it. Well, another blooper. Anyways, let's just fix that. Here's a some text about season 3 and season 4, and there's the information. There's the other spine, like the other side, which is basically just the same. Now, as I guessed, it is just a repackage of season 3 and season 4 standalone sets. And also, this is triple layered for some reason. I mean, I know why they would do it double layered, because 2 DVDs and a slip cover, so the slip cover doesn't come off, but I don't really get why there needs to be, there we go. I don't really get why there needs to be triple layer protection. Also, one of these is broken, like the case. I'm not sure which one though. I'm pretty sure it's season 3. I noticed it while I was walking out, like with these. If you can hear that, season 3. At the bottom, there's like a piece. I'll just try to focus it. Okay, I'll just show you after. Also, he managed to puncture season 3, I'm pretty sure. So, and I'll put this set with the other set just to make it aesthetically pleasing. Okay, if my theory is correct, based off what the piece looks like, it should be part of the flipper. So, let's open it up and see what it is. And let's see here. It's right here. Oh no, actually, kind of looked like part of a flipper, but there's like one piece right here, and then there's one missing here. That's just this piece, so not that big of a deal. I'm pretty sure it can still work fine. The discs are just plain discs, sadly. Oh, one of them came out actually. So this set is just like all over the place. Anyways, oh wow, this really is. So they're all the same. So there's disc 1, disc 2 and 3 and 4 right here, and there's a piece missing there. I don't know where that went, but pretty sure it'll still work fine. You just don't have to be rough with it, and then it'll work fine. Or, you know, I can just find another replacement flipper. But yeah. Now on to season 4. Also, if you like my commentary, leave a like on this video, cause yeah. Alright, season 4. There we go. Now, from my understanding, nothing should be broken about this one. Hopefully it isn't. Yeah. Yep, this is fine. Disc 1, disc 2, they're just plain gray discs. So, now that we're done unboxing them, I'll put them with the other sets. Well, the other set of thing. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the two sets together. We're in handheld mode right now. So they're basically just the same. Right there, and then the spine. That's pretty cool, honestly. Look at that. And just the season sets alone. I'll show you them. Like, this is actually a really nice set, guys. I don't think there's that much special features, if any, but if you're a fan of the Rugrats, you know, definitely get this. These are like one of the only Region 1 sets that are the season sets. The other ones are like Burn on Demand from Amazon, and they're out of print now. So, and from my understanding, they're like really expensive now. So definitely get these sets. Like, if you can't find these 2-packs, just get these standalone. They come with a slipcover each, but so this is a pretty cool set, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, or subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.